Ahojte, všetci vítajte pri ďalšom pokračovaní Zaklinača 3. Momentálne sme v úlohe, ako vidíte, ohne Novigradu. Tak uvidíme, čo sa nového dozvieme teda. Splnili sme nejaké tie vedľajšie úkoly, ale väčšinou nic moc, teda jedine tie Skellige, proste čo sme tam boli, tak sme zobrali nejakú tú jednu výstavku, ale je toho hodne teda ešte tam. V podstate nič nové sme sa nedozvedeli, jedine ohľadom toho Gvintu, tých kariet, hľadáme ešte jednu jedinú poslednú kartičku. V minulom dieli sme zabili toho čerta. Sme za ňou dostali zákazku, potom sme si išli po odmenu ku tým čiernym. Sem, takže sme trošku tu vyhľadili túto oblasť, hľadali sme tieto veci, tie s otáznikom. Jedna vec, chybička krásy, totálna chyba, neviem, možno, že časom sa dá dostať alebo nie, proste ak vidíte tú cestičku tu v tom otázníkovi, není šanca sa tam dostať proste, skúšal som to všeliak stadiaľ, tu je, no, teoreticky sa by sa to možno dalo dostať, ale tu číha veľké nebezpečenstvo, čo ma hneď zabilo. Tu už vás nepustí do tejto oblasti, napíše tam zdraci a tak ďalej. Tu sú tiež monstra dosilné. Do jaskyne sme sa nedostali, potrebuje kľúč, tu sú ešte také menšie jaskyne, tam sa úplne dá, takže toto miesto momentálne, jak sa hovorí, tabu. Tu sme mohli využiť tú schopnosť tej lampičky, bohužiaľ tam to nefunguje, pretože píše, že mám ísť do podzemia a proste tam podzemie není, takže tamto nič. Pokračujeme smerom sem a máme teraz takú jednu formalitku, že vraj tu niečo má byť, nejaká dobrá karta, ale nie som 100% istý, že teraz hľadám nejaké karty. Hľadáme karty obchodníkov s kartami, no ako vidíte, musím začať ísť sem a hľadať všetkých obchodníkov, ktorí majú karty, odkúpiť od nich všetky karty, vyhrať, lebo máme jednu zaujímavú úlohu, ktorú vám hneď ukážem. Chceme vedľajšie úkoly a je to bla 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 bla. Áno, to je ono. Čiže, takže ešte výnimočnú kartu, takže ešte musím, takže už viem, kde je prosím tá posledná karta. No jasne, takže ešte z ním musím vyhrať tú kartu a on je v Skellige, no jasne. A ja ju vôbec budem hľadať, aj keď to je jedna vec, ale tiež by som chcel splniť ten úkol, kde bol Vysoké Sasky. A tam nám presne ten hráč povedal, že nájdi profesionálneho písaža, tam som našiel a musím nájsť teraz tie 5 karty, ale už viem presne, kto má tú 5 kartu, takže dobre. Fajn, teraz sa sústredíme na tú hlavnú úlohu, to je o Novigrade, iba trošku to splníme, tú útočnú úvodnú časť, kde sa máme dostať niekde semkaj. Tak ne, musím to prejsť. Zhaňali sme heslo, sú tu zlami zlodeji a tak ďalej. Úplne, to bolo to zabarikadované totál celé. Takže uvidíme, čo nás čaká. Ideme sa na to pripraviť. Meč pre istotu si polujem jedom.
What's new, killer? So, how are things?
Good. More and more people.
Vyzerá to ako krčma.
Sanger's hound's not scaring them off anymore.
I guess incurable disease is not
In that case,
already take 80% of our
Láhe vody, sušené ovocie sa zíde.
Watch it, Greyhead.
About time we made something clear, sorceress.
Yes, high time.
Me and my men will manage just fine without the help of you or any
Trees?
other mages. But you, well, without our help, you're sitting ducks for the temple guard.
3 zranúcu?
Geralt?
Fuck.
Hey, Triss.
Ale vyzerá čudne.
See you two know each other. See you two know each other well. I was curious whether you managed to find me, Witcher.
No jasne, že vedel, že...
Am I mistaken, or you got something to take up with me?
Who knows? Man with 2 swords and the skill to use them could be very useful these days.
Could have sent some underling to fetch me.
Could have, but I admit I wanted to see how you'd manage. See if you're as crafty as you are well crafted. See, Witcher, I've got plans. Big plans. Far-reaching plans to reshape this city head to toe.
Ever thought of seeking a seat on the city council?
City Council is a puppet troupe with a hierarchy of the Church of the Eternal Fire as its puppeteer. Until recently, that is, when Radovid and his witch hunters took the reins. The semblance of power don't interest me.
A man with a vision.
One day, the so-called free city of Novigrad will be truly free. But before that can happen, we've got to rid it of superstition, farting around about the hallowed essence of the eternal fire. Nonsense for kiddies.
Apparently not. Cheering crowd at the execution. Mostly adults.
Any crowd of rabble will cheer to the stench of burning flesh. But one day, folk will understand the eternal fire's naught but a leash around their necks. They call this place the Putrid Grove, but it's the rest of Novigrad that's putrefied. This here's the last bastion of normality, sanity, reason. I'm actually glad someone like you's found his way to our city, because it will be our city one day, Geralt. Mark my words.
Yours, plural.
Yeah, mine. And me friends. But that's a tale for another time. For now, I'll leave you two alone. Because I can see, well, you clearly need it.
Geralt, I have a lot of things to take care of in town.
I'll be glad to tag along. What's your arrangement? He using you?
Helping me to survive, actually.
6 months ago, if somebody said Triss Merigold would be working for a Novigrad criminal, I'd never have believed it.
6 months ago, Triss Merigold parted with someone very dear to her, and hasn't turned out like I imagined. Come on, let me give you a taste of my life.
Madam Sorceress. Beautiful as ever. Damn shame to part.
Don't fret. Bound to be back soon.
Ale ešte predtým by som... No nič, tak som to nestiel.
I take it you're in Novigrad on important business.
Important doesn't do it justice. I'm looking for someone.
More precisely?
Young woman who's like a daughter to me.
Her? Here? No.
She was here. There are witnesses, evidence. Was hoping you'd heard something. You've been here a while. I need you to help me find something, anything, a trace.
I'll do everything I can, of course. Who might know more?
Open up.
No tá... No, som si myslel, že Geralt nevojde, nuka. Tu je ten obchodník. Kupec.
What are you offering?
Nepredáva žiadnu kartu, to je... škoda. Kapacita brašní 100. To som nemohol odmietnúť nekúpiť. Dosť knihy. Ten zmrt, ale to nevadí, pretože... Určite si necháme tento meč 308, áno. Ten som chcel predať. Tieto meče si nechám, možno, že keď budú vylepšené, budú dobré. A je tu ešte jeden meč. Drahý, ale pre mňa neútočný. Takže aj tak som sa ho zbavil. Škoda, že nemá nejaké lepšie prísady. Knižočky to nezajímajú asi. To sú strašne drahé veci, ale ono akože... Máme fistový prášok. Asi ho toľko ne... Máme fistový prášok, on ho predáva za 400. Ja mu dáme za 43, akože nech sa nekurví, ale do píče ako... Zmrd je to. Měsíčný umelomek. Zíde sa. Pátá esence. Tu myslím, že máme. Trpasličí palenka. Alkohol sa nám zíde. Alkohol, neviem koľko máme alkoholu, ale hádam dosť. No keby nejako. 45, máme alkoholu až. A ideme si zahrať karty. Teraz rozmýšľam, či mimo záznam alebo záznamom, ale dám to záznamom. Nech vidíte, ako rozpraším ako malé decko. Dúfam, že dneska má od neho dobré karty. No, Nivigátska ríša my nechceme, takže Severnú ríšu hráme. Pam. Sú veľmi dobré karty, tak akože tuto nesúhlasím s touto kartou. Mám veľmi, no... To je na prdel toto. Všetky. A asi tak nechám, to je fajn. To použijem v prvom kole. Trošku vyšťavíme a uvidíme. On je príšera, kurva. Nemám žiadne... No tak to bude ťažký boj, ty vole. Dúfam, že bude dávať do tej prednej línie. Fúha, hneď použil aj... No tak to je v piči. To sa dalo kurva čakať, že on to spraví. Tak to spravíme tiež. Poď ty bastard. Veľkodlak. Hezky. Zatiaľ to začína tak narovnako. 20-20. Budíme. 5. Pridal jednu kartu. Do boja o trumf. On bude mať teraz samé tieto karty ako. Teraz pridal 10. Máš 40, ale ja budem mať viac. Tento trumf si nemôžem nechať ujsť. A sakra. Najlepšia karta, ktorú mohol použiť. Nechám ho vyhrať, alebo... Ešte urobíme takýto ťah. Ono, že získame šitnú dobrú kartu. Nie, dobrú kartu som získal. Ale že on si ju zoberie naspäť, to mi bolo ako jasné. Ani to ďalej neriešim, pretože... V takom prípade teraz by som použil kartu. A 10 bodov to určite nebude. A on vám povie, že ona to sere, takže podľa mňa to serem. A vynechám, tak nech si vyhrá, pretože toto nemá zmysel. A on ešte použil predsa len kartu, ešte jednu. Takže si to odjebal. Dostal síce kartu navyše, ale sa odjebal. Pretože vyrovnal skore. No tak to je čurák. Trošku asi nerozumiem. O, do píče. A do píče. No ja si osobne myslím, že teraz som pohorel asi, no nič neviem, vyskúšať 10 bodov, 26 má bodov, len z dvoch ratičiek, nech sa nenevá na mňa kurva, ale to bol kurva dobrý ťah. Príšery sú veľmi ťažké, tam potrebujem hlavne to zamrazovanie. On si to, no do píče. Tak som v loji, jak sa hovorí. Pretože na toto určite nebudem mať. Aj keby som sa mal posrať teda, pozrite, ježiš Kristia. 12 plus ďalšie 2, 12, 88. No tak to ani náhodou teda. Sorry.
Wouldn't mind a few rounds of
Takže má príšery, takže zamrazovanie, jednoznačne musím mať zamrazovanie. Prvé 2 kola. Mám dobré karty, ale on má ešte lepšie. Nie, musí to byť zamrazovanie. Nie je to. Tak to som prehral, pretože on, keď vytrafí tie kartičky svoje, jasne začína tak zľahka, ale on vie presne čo robí. Nemám zamrazovanie, takže to som v riti. Ale ešte môžem ho tak častočne vyprovokovať, no ako... Nech si myslí, že vyhrá. Vlastne dá vynechať hajzel jeden. V tom prípade môžem ho posilniť. A ja získam ďalšie dve, no, sračkové karty. On tam má schopnosť frakce. Čiže jednu... A to je protivník, dáva vynechať krok, to sa mu ani nedivím teda. Samozrejme toto kolo vyhrám ja. A ja so svými on nemám šancu. Určite nie. To je dobrá karta, ale mi na prd, pretože nemám čo sťahovať. Ja by som chcel skôr zamrazovanie a... To mi je totálne na hovno teda. Dám to do tej zadnej rady. No, ešte to nie je zase stratené úplne. Uvidím, aké karty má, ale určite, no Ježiši Kriste. Čo týka Prisher, je neskutočný potenciál ten bojový, ale tieto dve karty by mali byť celkom super. Do piči! No, tak ktorú som prehral. Ale nemusím ďalej hrať. Si ju pekne stiahneme. To je v píči. Dobre, serem na to, urobím to asi mimo záznam. Takže vítajte späť, nakoniec som vyhral kartičku od neho. Trochu to trvalo, asi dvakrát. Proste som potreboval tu jednu vec a to bolo... to, že... To zničenie tej prednej línii. A úplne to stačilo. 300 trochu rýchlejšie bež. Vlastne bež celkom rýchlo. No je tvoj bunker? No to je hezké, a tak to kurva.
Hello, Klug. Managed to get those magic incense ingredients?
Yes, somewhat with difficulties, you might say. I was walking along the canal with a sack full of goodies for you. Looked up and spied a trio of temple guards coming the other way.
Get to the point, Klug. No time today for one of your long stories.
Wait! A sack full of magicalities and they were coming straight towards me. I don't easily frighten, but I felt a cold sweat on my arse a bit. I'm afraid I had no choice. I dropped the sack in the water. I had to! When asked why, I claimed it contained a dead cat. You shan't believe this, but they believed me.
I need that package, Klug. I've got a contract.
It must be on the canal bed. Luckily it was heavy
No
enough to
super, takže...
I'm sure it'll turn up if you search.
You expect me to pay you, then dive for my goods into that ice-cold filth?
Tak fajn, ja ho prinesiem.
I can do that. Where'd you toss the package?
Near the crane. Second bridge in from the harbour.
I didn't expect such devotion.
Wanted to freshen up anyway. Let's go.
Stop. Hear that? They've come for us.
The fall didn't break until I began to prick his heels. Every man's got his sensitive spots. Interrogated a mage once. Pain couldn't touch him. Tore off his fingernails, crushed his bollocks, nothing. Turned out, he was devilishly ticklish. I placed a beetle on his belly and set a mug atop it. Damn near went mad.
We were lucky this time, but you'd best leave via the sewers. The trapdoor's in the floor.
Take care of
Stoky,
yourself,
už
Klug.
zase, kurva. Ale najprv ideme hore. Ideme tu vykradnúť, čo sa dá. Sorry, ale nepripravený sa nechodí. Hezky vidno vonku. Lahé vody. Kurva, tu má koľko poschodí? A ešte jedno poschodie. Wow, on tu má zbranie, ten bastard. Ty brďo, to je fail. No jasne, ale trápne meče. Teda, jasne, predáme. Za pár orénov. Lahé vody. Voda je taká super vec, pretože vymerit, relikviu tam má. No, sakra Geralt. Ty si psychopat. Tu som mi sa tam skočíš. Typujem, že tu budú topivci. Ahoj. Ups, polka tela v prdeli, ale voda pekne nám ščervenala. Pozrieme sa, máme 941 experience.
Should be an exit here. Klug wouldn't have sent us here if there wasn't. Must be a lever on this wall that will open the secret passage.
Calcium vacuum.
Well?
Tu je niečo. Na stene nejaká. Jasne. Postal čakať.
Name actually used to mean something.
The very reason so many mages came here after the massacre at Loch Muin. Thought they'd be safe from Radovid's reapers. Instead, they jumped out of the frying pan into the fire. But Novigrad stands on top of a mountain of... Judging by what Klug said, the parcel should be around here on the bottom. Unless the poor man was mistaken. He's been forgetful ever since Manga interrogated him. Seems to be suffering from a persecution complex, too.
Current must have carried the sack seaward. I'll swim towards the port. Coming with?
Maybe some other time.
Don't know what you're missing. Water's thick with pungent oils. Guessing it'll do wonders for my complexion.
To je super ako. Ale náhodou tá voda je krásne čistá. Takže neviem, čo rozprával. Tuto je. To nie je ono. Počkať. Niečo tam bolo. Úplne nádherná čistá voda je, no. Ideme na hladinu, to je rýchlejšia voľba. Úplne krásna, čistúčka voda. A ona povie ti, že ty vole, ona chce ísť do toho, do tej špiny.
Or did you get wet for no reason?
Nothing like a refreshing swim in a filthy canal. Found a few fish, a rusty anchor, the carcass of a boat. Oh, and this.
Oh, my package. Hope the contents aren't soaked through. Oh, you're a doll.
To je všetko.
Seem to be in your element.
Still remember my elements? How I use them?
Come on, 6 months isn't that long.
No, to je dobre vyriešené.
But you do have
nemohli ísť skôr na rebrík ako ona.
I've recovered my memory completely.
Good. That should stop people from taking advantage of you.
Someone's been taking advantage of me.
I have, for one.
Třeba ja.
I've never even intimated.
We need to hurry.
Čiže som vrátil za pamäť.
Greetings, Brandon.
I didn't expect you to bring company.
Ty si mu řekla, že si čarodějka?
Triss, you told this man you're a sorceress?
Of course. She was looking for work. That's her chief asset.
Are you Triss?
I know it was reckless, but competition's stiff here. No one would hire me if I claimed to be a common rat catcher.
More importantly, no one would believe such a beauty could be an exterminator of rodents. But I'd prefer you not to tarry and begin.
Triss, you and Brandon here. You've agreed a price?
We settled on a full coin purse.
Brandon & Co. is a serious outfit. We've the largest granary in all Novigrad.
You're a merchant, familiar with how commerce works?
Of course. Honest pay for honest work.
Half up front, half once the job's done.
You're asking a great deal.
I'm a witcher. Gotta admit, I've met my share of people who say one thing beforehand, another after the fact.
Very well. Your first installment.
Sam Geralt
We need
ojebavač.
to place these crystals around the granary, near anything that looks rat-related.
Kurva, vlasy červené, hrozné. Ja som zaklínač, môj zlatý. To si nevedel o tom? Ale neserte ma. Zaklínač Geralt to preskočil ako taký králik, ty vole. Toto ma sere. Tak, Geralt sa trafí. Hupla, dole.
I'll cover half the space, you take the other half. Look for evidence of rat activity.
Thing is, I know what evidence of manticore activity looks like, but rodents?
Geralt, we'd both rather be somewhere else. I'd rather be sitting in a royal council meeting, but they killed my king.
Zabíjať krysy, to je jaká vec, super.
Once we place this incense, what then?
I'll cast a spell and the rats...
Normálne sme zabili krysy a žiadna XP.
Can't do that without sprinkling incense? Don't really feel up to looking for rat shit.
Stop whining.
Čo to je? Stopa.
Looks like a good spot. I don't like that guy.
Brandon? I don't either. He's much too fat.
Can't help but agree. But no, notice how he didn't try to haggle?
Must really want the rats out.
Triss, he's a merchant. He makes his living by haggling.
If I worried about that sort of thing, I'd starve to death in this city.
No. Pastina krysy, aha. Kde je tá tretia? Tak niekde v rohu. Prečo pastina krysy? Tu niekde určite. Jasne, tu je.
Think I plugged every hole in there.
All right. Get ready for some magic fireworks. Once I activate the incense, we'll have a moment to talk.
Čo?
Well?
Niečo podpaliť?
Well? Now we wait for them to scurry away.
Interesting method. Never had much luck with rats. Once I hit one with a fork in complete darkness, trying to show off my witcher's senses. Masterful throw, really. Problem was, no one else saw it. How could they in the dark?
So, what do you think? Ratcatcher? It's a long way to fall from being advisor to Temeria's king.
I'm just glad to see you safe and sound, and...
Reconciled?
Smirená? No...
Knew a man once who reacted to everything, especially adversity, by mocking it.
Healthy attitude. Must have lived long.
Came a day he lost both his legs in battle. He shrugged, said it was better that way. He'd never feel pain in them again.
I understand him perfectly.
I know. Thing is, he was lying to himself.
I think he just didn't have much of a choice.
We all lie sometimes, but lying to yourself is running away, whereas there's really nowhere to run.
Sometimes you have to escape just to forget. Your friend might have dwelled on his lost legs, but it's not like by grieving he could have grown another pair. So, tell me how Yen's doing?
How do you know I found her?
You didn't answer my question. How's Yen?
Tak nie je to špatné.
Not bad. Asking about anything specific?
Never mind. I got my answer.
Asta kríž. Čo to kurva?
Well, well. Are lovebirds having themselves a little chat instead of working?
The job's done. Geralt, those are...
I know who they are, Triss.
My friends begged me to notify them if I encountered a mage, sorceress, what have you. Didn't have the heart to refuse.
Mal som chcieť, aby zaplatil pol cenu.
This stank from the start. Let's agree your friends were never here. Now pay the rest and let's part in peace.
You
No,
don't
to
set the terms, mutant.
Stay out of it. We're here for the witch.
We're inseparable, see? Afraid you'll have to take us.
Vidíš ten oheň?
Geralt!
If you say so.
All right, we've talked. Do what you gotta. Just remember, I can't help but get in your way.
Heard enough from this horse, son.
As have I. Neither is to leave here alive.
To je zmrd jeden.
Looking for a bruising?
That bastard hired me on the Ascension.
To bol parchant. Koruny? Á, ten mesiac ide.
Not for you. We need to find Brandon.
Ten môže byť vzácný, drahý. Aj ten druhý je vzácný. Aj ten tretí môže vzácný. Ahoj, kupec.
Don't kill me. Good sir, no. They forced me. Had I not told them, they'd have set fire to my home, my warehouse. The mage hunters know no mercy.
Tam stále počujem oheň vzadu.
Spare me, good man. Be not like those murderers.
Shut up. I should kill you. Thing is, you'd be no good to anyone but the gulls as a corpse. So you'll live and pay us double. Now.
Fine. Your coin.
Now get.
Thanks, Geralt.
Čo je, horie ruka? Asi tak.
You should try to keep better company.
He was still better than some mages.
Je horie ruka, kurva.
I've been thinking.
No asi robí srandu, ty vole. To je joke.
I just got an idea. There's an environment
Piči. Ty ona sa hrá s ohníkom, to je pecka.
Never trusted in Drake's abilities myself.
Tak toto je... To je veľmi efektívne teda.
She's taken a job close by. Follow the canal away from the fish
Dobrý
market.
buk, to
The
je
house is near
fakt
the first
prdeli.
bridge. Its owner, DeJohn Kier, is a rich man.
Ešte sa... Ešte sa kľudne chytí. Hej, ešte...
Rat-infested warehouse.
Tak to je joke, to je super.
Nothing even remotely
To je
satisfying.
v prdeli.
Such are the times.
Než nám zhoríš, Tris? To je jak to horí, ty vole, tu na... Ako... Už ani som nečítal titulky. Dobre. Jasne, rád som ťa videl.
Nice to see you again.
You too, Garrett. You should go now.
A zhasni si ten
Before
oheň.
Queen goes back into hiding somewhere.
What if I want to find you?
I live in the Bips, near the fish market. Stop by. It'll be nice.
Jasne, stavím sa.
See you later.
Ach, konečne. A my ešte máme chvíľku času. Máme chvíľku času. Tak, lebo chcem určite získať tú kartičku. No, takže... Bla bla bla, kde to je? Nie. Homba za poklad... Nie. Tu je to. Ale do matky. Samozrejme, my... Oj, tam Magru... Aha, Gwent? No jasne, chceme si zahrať, ale to necháme na potom a vám to... Tak nakoniec som sa radol, že vám to ukážem. Nilfgaardské ríše, nepotrebujeme tieto... strašne veľa týchto vecí, mám to nie dobré, no vidíš. Tak ideme na to, sme na ťahu, ideme bombardovať toho Nilfgaardiana. Dúfam, že vyhráme prvýkrát a 9 tam skrema v zásobníku, takže... No tu je vole, vyťahol tú kartu by som akože chcel, vlastne ja tú kartu mám. Ale je to Nilfgaardská ríša, čiže... Ja ju moc nepoužívam, nepotrebujem ju. Takže začíname tak zľahka. 10-10 bodov, to úplne super, to stačí. Úplne bez rozmyslu, hneď z fleku. Dobrá, asi dve karty. Rozmýšľam nad týmto, čo bude. No, použijeme ju. Pretože ona nám môže zabezpečiť... Sakra. On vyňacha ťah? Kurva, on vyňacha ťah? Smrd jeden vymrdaný! Ale ja mám taký pocit, že dostanem kartičku navyše. No, tak takú pičnú kartu som dostal. Teraz určite nechám kolo. Prečo nie? A on bude musieť dať aspoň jednu kartu do boja. Do piči, tak som sa ojebal. Remíza, ale jak to? 0-0 nemôže byť predsa. On so mnou vydrbal? No ja s ním teraz vydrbem. Chcem aj použiť tie nesprávne kroky. Má 8 kariet, tých 8 kariet môže spôsobiť ešte veľkú melu a ja sa dosť bojím. Mám v zálohe proste, on vie, že mám v zálohe určite tú časť bojovú. To je v podstate jedno, keď to použije, tak som prdeli. Tak som v loji, jak sa hovorí. Aaaaaa, kurva! Sviniar jeden, vymrdanec. Keď má ešte jednu, sa zaobesím rovno. Vyleštil počasie. No to nevadí. Katapult. A zdvojnásobí sa 32 osa. Dúfam, že mi to teraz nezničí. Nevadí. Rozmýšľam, či mám zničiť plnú lineu. Á, oplatí sa to, možno, že niečo bude mať. S tými 3 kartami. Nejakú útočnú kartu. Pozbudzovacú kartu, nič. Dobre, teraz je buď alebo. 2 karty má. Uvidíme, či to zvládne alebo nie. Keď má tú kartu čo ja, tak som predali. Nemá šancu, nemá šancu, nemá šancu. Je to tam, vyťahrasťa. Či vyhral som. A celkom slušne, takže 20 korún. A ďalšiu kartičku. Zatiaľ žoldáci nám vyhrali zápas nad zmrdmi. Sa mi na to páči. No, takže ideme pokračovať ďalej. A tu je ďalší obchodník, ktorého vymrdáme. Ja však to je oné. Ja som už v kartách vymenil. Potrebujú vymeniť peníze.
Got some coin I'd like to convert into crowns.
Come to the right place. A better rate you'll not find.
1319 korún som získal. To si robíš kozy. Fakt? Wow. Díky, bratu. Tu je ďalší obchodník. A s ním som už hral. S ním som nehral, pretože on ani nehrá. Ale keď som už tu. Hej. Welcome to the Desecrated. On predáva knižky. A vieš? Knižky. Tento dva raz nemám, tak som si ho kúpil.
So long.
Such miscreants into the city. Right, so cool.
Takže rýchlo musíme cestovať, lebo tak inak to nefunguje, žiadna loď, nič také. Sem. Konkrétne, no do píče. Tu kurva, tu na. Tak, no, dáme sa, že tu, nech tu máme bližšie.
Related to Ciri's reappearance, it had destroyed a vast swath of forest. Geralt set out for the Isles to join the sorcerers and seek further clues of Ciri's whereabouts. The druid Ermion, however, had no intention of letting Yennefer examine the woods, so Geralt and Yen sought out Jarl Krakon Krayt, who helped break down the druid's resolve.
Keci v klci, iba v klci. Bolo naprdalo. Tak fajn, som Skellige meste, teda vlastne na ostrovoch. Skellige. Sme úplne na pacom konci teda toho prvého ostrova. Viete, krásna hudba, krásne prostredie. Tu by som asi... Tu by som chcel stráviť teda ako kurva život, to je hezké teda. Geralt trošku snowboardista, tak si trošku zasnowboarduje. A kurva. Ingi? Musíme ešte Queen. Pretože tu sú utopenci a...
What now, you
No nič. Ak si. No musíme asi Queen použiť, pretože... toho sa trošku bojím. To nie sú hociakí topivci. Niektorí sú utopenci, niektorí sú topivci. Srdce z príšery. Vynikajúco, to sa mi hodí. Pretože srdce z príšery je jeden faktor, ktorý potrebujem na vyrobenie určitého lektvaru. Geralt, makaj, si skvelý. Wow, úžasné. Ako Geralt dokáže behať takýmto kopcom, wow. Nie, len sa nešmykni. Výborne. Toto nie sú obyčajné beštie, z 11. A nič mi nerobia, ty vole. Znamená, keď mi nič nerobia. Nič nebudú robiť ani takto. Čakal som za ťažšieho supera. A dvomi ranami. Teda úprimne fakt som čakal ďalšieho supera. Podal som mu dolo tam 900, no, bude to ešte 500 experience a budeme mať ďalší 18. level, čo už nie je zlé. Takže najradšej by som... level! Místo moci. Máme vodíček. Levelíček. Jasne, 100% odolnosť. Wow, to je super, akože strata adrenalínu po utrpení zranení zvyšuje o 100% zisku adrenalínu, takže to je super vec. No a s týmto prdelom si zahráme karty a nazdar všetci. Jennifer tu je, kurva. No, tak to bude dlho rozhovor asi.
Good! May all Skellige know Jennifer of Vengerberg is a common thief!
Control yourself, Druid. I haven't stolen anything. I've merely borrowed something and fully intend to return it.
Ha! The generosity. Just one small problem. Once used, the mask is rendered completely worthless. Not to mention the risk you'll bury us alive, and all the Isles with us.
Barry, what are you talking about?
She's not told you? Might have expected as much. The myth is that Ouroboros created the mask when the envious seas swallowed his beloved. Unable to bear the prospect that he would never again see his betrothed, Ouroboros made the mask, which would allow him to peer into the past. He knew, however, that he could only use it once. So he waited. Waited until his longing grew so strong that it became unbearable. When the sea learnt of the mask, it was quick to respond. It made known its threat that whosoever used the mask would bring the sea's wrath down on them. For in vengeance, the sea would rise and flood all the lands and drown the living.
Where'd you get this mask?
Sailors from Clan Dimon pulled it from the sea, near the Njord Trench.
Yeah, but how can you be sure this is Ouroboros' mask?
Its appearance is exactly as described in the myths.
You believe the myths?
Only ignorant fools belittle their significance. Besides, it's not the myths that are on trial here. It's the thief.
No, teoreticky máme aj jeho svolenie. Ďalej to akože cif, no je to také, to je taká stredná voľba.
On the one hand a theft, on the other, Ciri's life.
I also care deeply for the girl. I proposed a series of other methods. Yennefer refused to listen. She claimed they would take too long, whereas she needs immediate results. She has always been hot-headed.
True. At least this time she's got a valid reason for it.
Never mind that she might bring...
Masakriš.
What was that? No. Yennefer's used the mask.
Teraz nem. Ty nevieš behať, kamaráde. Ty vole, ty vieš rýchlo behať.
Great. What was that?
Hey,
Unicorns.
fuck, shit. Co to kurva je? Co to kurva?
Damn it, Yen. I saw the foglets. I meant how'd they get here.
The power of the mask summoned them.
To je pravda.
Ermion says the mask might cause a natural disaster.
Fortunate he's here then. He can jump right in, try to tame it.
Realize he won't let this pass.
Oh, I'll survive, somehow.
What now?
The mask reveals the past, but only in certain places. Places where past events left a strong magical imprint. Take it.
Want me to wear it?
Yes. I'll cast a spell that will let me see through your eyes.
Gonna read my mind again?
You object?
Áno, som ti to povedal
You know
minulé.
I don't like it.
Let it go. I just want to see what happened. Besides, you know there are things I'd rather not know about you. Let's go. Already found the first spot.
Tak, predmetové úkoly. No ty pič, to si robíš kozy. Ďalšie predmetové úkoly. Rýchlené nabice. Masku. Minule sme použili... No dobre no. Minule sme použili ten lampášik. Kde je? Tu je. Magická lampa. To budem používať. Neviem, trochu sa bojím, ako to použiť.
This is the spot. Put on the mask.
Any instructions?
Keep it on until we've seen everything. And don't stray far. Telepathy is limited in range.
Mám nasledovať.
What's that? A portal?
2 people emerged from it.
The woman was Ciri.
How can you know?
The way she moved, like a witcher. Seems they went that way.
Come, let's find the next spot.
Ach, Yennefer, kurva. Ozvien minulosti.
That's that! Watch out!
Kde to bola ona?
What was that?
A magic explosion of some sort. So powerful that even the echo was dangerous. I wager it destroyed the forest.
But Ciri and her companion weren't harmed. I saw them escape.
Let's see where to.
This is creepy. I don't like it.
Nor do I.
Anyone here when this happened had a slim chance of surviving.
I know what you're thinking. But don't worry. Ciri can take care of herself. Yes? Well.
Someone chased Ciri. See that? Might have wounded her.
She escaped through another portal.
Know where it led?
Magic residue trail leads to Velen.
Any chance you can figure out where Ciri's companion fled to? His portal's gotta be nearby.
I'll try to find it. Come. Oh, taste
Nice fight.
One repelled the other with powerful magic, then fled through a portal.
A mage?
Most likely. It's Ciri's companion and the one who wounded her.
How do you know?
I don't. Making an educated guess. They both appeared in the previous visions.
Ciri's got a powerful ally. The mage who was with Ciri fled too. Know where?
His trace path leads to Velen as well. But the target coordinates of his portal differ from those of Ciri's. The explosion must have disrupted his teleportation.
Ran into Kira Metz in Velen. Coincidence maybe, but she claimed a mage came to her looking for Ciri. Be surprised if it wasn't the same one.
Whoever he is, he grows more interesting by the minute.
Maybe something left of the one who got hit by the spell.
It's clearing up.
Ermion must be getting a handle on the weather.
Which means he'll be free to attack us again.
Are you pleased with yourselves? Look at what you've brought down on us! If someone's death were to help you find Ciri, would you start making human sacrifices as well?
Just so happens I'm willing to do anything for some people.
Everyone else, everything else be damned, is that it?
Stop panicking! Here's your mask.
It is worthless. It's an unwieldy ashtray at best. I hope you've learned something useful at least.
Very.
Ach jaj. Ten máme problém stále.
You I'll deal with later. So?
We think a powerful curse was cast here.
Plausible. Considering what happened to the wood. Do you know upon whom?
Not yet, but we know Ciri was here. She stepped out of a portal. A mage was with her. Someone chased them. They fought. Ciri was wounded but managed to escape.
Where to?
Velen, probably. The mage opened a portal for her, then he fought her attacker.
Yes? Is that it?
Got a feeling we found something interesting. Just need to examine one more thing.
Vision went flying in that direction. Yes?
Teraz u nás karty nebude hrať.
Something's pinned under that tree. Can you...
I can.
Sakra. Kurwa, zľakol.
Armor's clean. No blood, no sword nicks. Ciri's friend must have... what do you call it?
Vaporized him.
Exquisite. The armor. All the workmanship's unfamiliar. Can't even tell where it's from.
Probably because it belonged to a rider of the Wild Hunt.
What? So it's true? The Wild Hunt? I feared as much. First here, then on Hindersfjall. What did they want?
They're looking for Ciri.
But why?
Elder blood flows in Ciri's veins.
'Tis true, she can trace her lineage clear back to Lara Duran, which is why the women in her family have always had extraordinary abilities. But could that truly be so important?
Ciri's exceptional. She travels between places here and other worlds. Space is no obstacle for her.
Huh?
Do piči.
Which is why the Wild Hunt wants to capture her. Speaking of the hunt, mentioned it appeared on Hindersfjall.
Well, it happened at least a fortnight after the cataclysm struck here on Ardskellig. The raids raided Lofoten at dusk in a blizzard. Itself a strange occurrence for that time of year. The islanders said the wraiths. They barged into their huts, killed anyone who resisted, then galloped inland, laughing fiendishly.
Anyone survive?
A dozen or so women, and an old man.
Next stop, Hindersfjall.
I'll meet you on the beach near Lofoten.
See you there.
Good luck to you. Inform me once you've learned anything new.
Tak fajn, a s tebou?
Can we talk?
Ideme si zahrať Gwent a to bude asi posledné, čo spravíme.
Certainly. I got my first deck years ago.
Tak zahrajme si.
Yeah, glad to...
No a teraz to musím vyhrať, len to je problém, že on neviem čo má za karty a aký štýl súboja budem hrať. Má príšery, takže to je super. Takže mluvu musíme vymeniť za... Nie. Sakra! Mám taký pocit, že to vyhral. Pretože príšery s takýmito kartami nedá sa vyhrať. Čo? Príšery a Marigolda? To si robí kozy? Dobre, no tak skúsime to zahrať. Ešte. Jasne, mám použil kartu. Proste príšery, to sú príšery. Musíme získať tú zbraň. Totál zlé. Jasne, proč ne? Vynechám, keď nie je problém. Som kariet, ja mám 12, ale to rozhodne nebude stačiť teda. Pozri, čo spraví. 4. Ich znásobí krát 4. 20. Jednou kartou. To nespravím ani s tým. Tak začneme tými trumfami. Balisty to zvýšim. Pozri, čo zrobil. Bum. 34. Nemám proti ním šancu. A on ešte keď bude mať... On by nechal ťah? Hajzel jeden. Jemu to stačilo teda na boj. Použijeme tie najhoršie karty, aké máme, uvidíme, či to bodovo dotiahneme. Ešte jeden bod. Ale túto kartu dáme späť. Toto veľmi nepotrebujem. Tak. A teraz poď do toho, máme... Vidíme, aké karty on má. A určite bude mať super karty, ako poznám. Tak, začneme tak jednoduchšie. Dobre. To mi až tak nevadí, aj keď je to hodne teda. Si na ťahu. Moja jediná nádej. Dobre. Môžem stať hru. Pretože to nie je žiadny osud. Dobre, asi budeme musieť končiť. Bude už veľa hodín. A dosť sa podľahám niekde, takže majte sa a zatiaľ potom v ďalšom pokračovaní uvidíte, ak som vyhral tie karty a nejak to vymyslíme. Majte sa.